going to trace out an old metal weather vane. Because of all the sharp edges, I'm going to trace this out on a piece of paper. By having a paper copy, it'll be a lot easier to digitize. So I'm just going to use a pencil and go around the edge. You'll notice here I'm using the new Logic Trace 2022. First thing I'm going to do here is define the four corners of the diagram so I can get a full screen. The program has a lot of options and a lot of setups, easy to set up to suit your needs. I'm going to select line as my first selection for tracing. Then I've selected tracing because the profile of the horse is quite jagged. The new program is easy to manipulate because you've got your menu on the left-hand side and some of the selections across the top. And because I programmed the four corners of the diagram, I'm getting a nice large display. You can see here where I've used the line option to do the tracing. Then I've switched over to trace. Once you're finished up, then you select stop, and that closes up that vector. I'm going to select trace again, and this time I'm going to start tracing out some of the internal parts. Once you're finished up, you have the option of saving it as DXF or PolyDXF or SVG. I saved it as DXF for a plasma cut. The file we created is loaded into the plasma software, and we'll start the cut. Very smooth cutting. Plasma cutting always amazes me. So now I've got a second copy of the old rusty weather vane.